Hi there! Today I want to show you how to make an Adele scrunchie. Fold the pattern piece in half, right side to right side, pin the top edge together, and mark using pins a small gap that we need to leave while sewing. Trim any hanging threads and using a safety pin, turn scrunchie to the right side. Press the seam open and then again on the fold, and then turn one end of the scrunchie to the wrong side using the gap we just made. Then insert through the gap the other end of the scrunchie. Make sure that scrunchie is not twisted and the seams are nicely aligned. And then sew the two ends together. Pull each side to turn scrunchie to the right side and press the seam. Then wrap elastic around your wrist with a bit of an extra amount. Use a safety pin to insert the elastic into the scrunchie through the gap we left. Then tie both ends together, make sure to pull it firmly and then cut off the ends. As the last step, top stitch the gap with a matching thread. This sewing pattern is available on my shop on Etsy or included for free with every other sewing pattern from my shop. Thanks for watching.